Hello friends, welcome back to block project in Laravel 10. Last video we will discuss how to make a comment. Suppose you are going to block detail page and you ever started like a block comment. Means we will discuss about block comments. Suppose do you want to make block comments, so just you can copy these words and you can paste here. So we have made a block comments. So in this video we can continue reply. But right now I have not logged in, this reason you can see login. So let's log in one users at the gmail.coms. Once I will log in, I need to go back again like block detail page. So just go to anyone PHP tutorials. I go inside. I just go to here's the zero comments. Here zero comments. Let's go to Laravel ones. Okay, here 4 comments there. So let's go inside. Okay. So inside you can see it. You need to make comments, so you can do it easily here. So in this video we can cover like a reply. So how we can make reply? Suppose you are clicking here, so we need to open your box and you can try to reply. Okay, so in this video I will cover how we can make it reply. And also you are new in this channel or in this series, so please press the bell icon and please press the subscribe. First you need to press subscribe and please press the bell icon, because we are uploading lots of content but we are not getting subscription. So please try to help and you can share with your friends so you can start new thing learning. Okay, so let's start now how to make a reply. So reply is a need to work like a JavaScript. Suppose you are click on the reply button, so we need to open here like a text box. Same thing you did here. Okay, means here not did like here is already there, but we need to show same like look like here. So how it's possible? I can show you step by step. So just go to resources, inside go to views, inside need to go to block detail blade.php. Let's make some zoom outs and scroll down. So here our comments. Okay, and here you can see reply button, and also this is the like reply our view, but right now we don't want to use. Once we can make dynamic, after I can show you how we can do it. So first what you can do, just copy this all things. Okay, just copy and you can go up and you can put here. It's very simple, very easy. Okay, just copy bottom one and put here, and just you can change to title reply comment. Leave comments, you can change reply or comments. After you can save and just go back again and check. So let's go back again, refresh the page, so we can check how it's look show. So you can see it like a reply comment, like this box here, here is a box there, but we don't want to show like this box. Once you click on the reply button, after we need to show the box. So how we can do it? Just we need to make like a display none. So here you can put like display none, and also you can remove p5. Let's try. So how it's look show, we can check. Just I removed, I go back then. So it's spacing, so you can make like p3, because p5 is a big. So just try p3 and you can go back again, refresh the page. So you can see like look like a good, because before is a lots of space there. Here you can go to bottom, so you can space bottom lots of. So like this. Now we need to do like a display none. So style display none, because we don't want to show direct box. Once you click on the reply button, after we need to show box. So let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see now no any place showing the box. Okay, so we need to provide like one ID. So here is like a ID we need to pass for this comment ID. So just you can pass here comment ID. Let's go up and you can pass here comment ID. Okay, now we need to make a one class like a reply open. Okay, this is the class, and here we can make it like a show reply. So very carefully watch what I am doing. Okay, show reply, and we don't want to need open words. Now we need to concat for this ID. So just copy and paste here. So whatever you are clicking this button, so we are getting this ID. Okay, attribute wise, and after we concat show reply dot means a plus sign, and we need to show like a this ID. 1 minute. Okay, let's start now. Continue. I just make minimize. I don't want to show here. Okay, now we need to make here replies. Okay, so this is the replies works we did like show reply did open reply to class there. So now we need to write like a JavaScript code. So just scroll down and you can type like a script, and here you can make like a dollar reply open. This is the class. So just you can make like dot, because always dot is a working as a class means point, and suppose you want to make hash, so is a working like a ID wise. Okay, dot click and functions. Okay, now we need to got his ID. You can see it here is a we have passed already id, so this id we need to got here. So how we can got, just is very simple, like where id is equal to dollar this attribute id. Okay, so this is the idea I got. Now we need to show what we need to show. So just go scroll up again and you can see it like a reply open. Here you can see show reply. So just copy and paste, means copy, and after you can make control j, so whatever code do you want to write, so it's going to back here. Okay, now you can put id, and here I can concat like id, and just I can type like a show. Otherwise do you want to do like toggles, so also can possible. Let me check toggles words good not good. So I need to check googles and I can try now. So toggles class remove and jquery, whatever do you want to type, so you can see like a toggles only you can type, not class jquery. Yes, spelling is good toggles, you can see it here. Okay, so let's refresh the page and we can try is working not working. So scroll down, we are click on the replies, not working. Let's go inside, I think spelling mistakes. So just you can copy and go here, and I think same, I don't know why it's not working. So let's make spec elements, and we need to open it like our debugging code windows. So reply, let's refresh the page and just go back again and click on the reply buttons. You can see it's working now. Okay, before I think I have not refreshed proper way, this reason you can see it. So it's working very well, we have no issue, you can see it. We reply a comment. So what we can do now, we need to create a new tables. In new table inside we need to store like this id against, means that this is the id, because one type of this comment id, right? So this comment id against what is the reply, and who is user doing, so you always need to log in after is possible, otherwise is impossible to do. So always need a user login. JavaScript code done. Now we need to create a new url here, like a leave comment, like a block comment reply submit. Just you can do like this routes. Okay, once you can done, after we need to create like a routes, means routes inside web.php. So first of all we need to change here like a comment id. We don't need like now blog id, just we need a comment id. Okay, sorry, here don't do, because this is the confusion code. Okay, 1 minute, sorry about that. Let's scroll up, because here we need to do show reply. Okay, here you can do like a block comment reply submit. Next one we need to change like blog id to comment id, because now we don't need a blog id, because we know which comment id against we are doing the reply. So just did a, and we can pass here like a comment id. Okay, and now here your comment, otherwise you can change here reply, whatever do you want to like you can do it, and leave reply, just you can type like this. So look like professionals. Just go back again, refresh the page, and I just scroll down and I just click on the anyone reply, so you can see it here. Okay, leave replies, reply comments, and here you can go, so you can see it here. So it's working well. Suppose you are click on the again, so it's hide. This reason I have a user toggles. Now I am going to my blog.com, and blog.com inside we need to create a new pages, means not new pages, new tables, like a blog reply comments, otherwise blog comment reply, whatever do you want to like you can do it. I just copy this table like operations, inside I go to copy tables and I can change my name replier, what name, block comment reply, and I press the go button. Okay, so it's very simple, just choose the tables, don't worry about that error, this is the because it's my end error, not your end error. Okay, so blog.com you can see it is a table is ready. Just go inside and we need to change like here blog id to comment id. So let's clear the table first, like is operations, inside is not empty. Now go to structures, and now we can change like blog id to comment id. So let's change and we can do it easily. Okay, comment id. Okay, so you can see it now. I save. Once I save, so you can see it like a user id, comment id. Comment id means is that this is the block comment id. Okay, and the user id means who is doing, and this is the comment means your reply, and created updated means the timestamp dates. Okay, so this is the done and very well. Now we have already created url, so just go to routes and we need to create a new url, routes inside web.php, just scroll down. So you can see it here we have already did. So just copy paste above one, you can do it also, like block comment reply submit. Okay, now block comment reply submit also you can change like this function, and just it's very easy. So just go to block comment models, and here you can copy and paste same things. Okay, it's very simple. Just you can change here, and here you can your comment reply successfully. Otherwise you reply successfully, whatever do you want to type like this you can type, this is your meaning. Now we need to change here our model, so we need to create a first model. So let's create shortcut way. We don't want to open the terminal, we need to, it's better you can learn sometimes shortcut. Okay, so block comment reply models, this is our model. So what we can do, just go to app, inside model, here you need to create a new files, just press Ctrl S and .php. So model successfully created, and inside you need to go block comment model. Inside you can go and just copy all thing and paste here. After copy this ones and you can paste here. And always don't forget this space. Always remove the above space. Okay. Don't leave it like this space. Otherwise generate the issue. So always change the means remove the space above. Now you need to write here like block comment reply. Okay, because your table name, so your table name is a block comment reply. So let's copy paste so you can't found anytime errors. Here belongs to user id which we need because we are doing the data this is, so leave it this one. Also web.php you can leave it, and block comment reply submit function is there, so leave it also. Okay, now here we need to change like a comment id, block id to comment id, and also you can change like comment id because we are getting the comment id inside, you can see it here comment id, you see. So we are also getting here comment id. Now we need to declare this model up, so just go up and here you can declare. It's very simple, very easy. Okay, once you can declare, after go back and save, and you can try it's working not working. Just go back again, refresh the page, and let's try is working not working. I type wow amazing. I don't know whatever do you want to type, you can type. I just type like wow amazing, and I just make like this and leave reply. So here showing your reply successfully, and you can go to database tables. So you can see like ID number 7 comment ID, inside you type like wow amazing. Okay, so it's working very well. So now our next point, we need to show our reply. Only login user can do it, otherwise it's going to automatic like a login screen. I already show you in last video. Now we need to show here reply. So how we can make it reply? So just go back again and we need to go to comment models. So comment model inside we need to make a relationship like a has many. So just go to comment model, and here you can do like a sorry comment, not a block comment models. Okay, and here you can make like a function get reply. So yes, like this, very simple, and it makes spelling good. I don't know why it's standard the issue. Reply, and I can make like a e small. Okay, here I can make like return dollar this has many. Here I can provide class, means who is a class model. So this is our model block comment reply, and here I can make a class. This is the syntax wise always work. And here you can pass like a comment id, means is a this table against what is the column is matching for the block comment inside like a id. So here is a comment id. So let's go back again, and you can see it here comment id. Okay, so let's get the reply comment how we can get inside a detail page. So just scroll down detail page. Now our main thing, we have already made comment code in last video. So just we can make uncomment. Now we need to use this code. So just you can use uncomment. Okay, so you can see it here reply button. So let's refresh the page, after we can understand better way because I have already made uncomment. So let's scroll down and refresh the page. So let's go down, and here you can see like uncomment. So how it's work, here we don't need reply, always here reply, we don't want to put here replies. So let's go back here, and where is the last comment? This is the last comment like a media bodies, and here is the main comment there. Okay, so here is the first one media body. media body inside we use S6 Johns. Now button, now here you can see this is the like a reply. So just copy media m4. Okay, you can copy and go up, and where is the our reply button? So our reply button here, there. So bottom you can put, so very carefully watch what I did. Okay, just copy this code and you can put like inside a reply button bottom. Okay, let's go back, and we don't need this is the reply button, so just remove. Okay, let's go back again, we can try it's working, not working. It's very simple. Just go back and refresh the page. So you can see it every place reply working. You see, design wise, because I have made a looping wise. So now we need to make it this reply is dynamic. So let's remove like bottom reply. We don't need now comment code, just you can remove. Okay, so let's make go up and remove this one. Okay, it's very simple, very easy. Now we have already did like a as means it belongs to. Let's remove this one, we don't need, so I remove these files also. Means close, not remove. I just copy. I can make here dollar, sorry, yes, at the rate for each comment. Here we have already made relationship like a get reply. You can see it here like a has many wise. So just get the data, and here I can pass like a has dollar comment. Okay, now we need to make like here and for each. You can see it very simple, very easy. Okay, no any difficulty. Now we need to show here I can make like variable like a reply, because otherwise it's a conflict, because same variable this results like reply. Now here we can type our comments. So very simple, very easy, like a comment. You can see it same thing, and you can copy like S6 also, and you can put here. Okay, and here you can change to comment to reply. So this is the word, so easily we can do it. We don't want to waste of time like a big video. This is the reasons. Okay, so let's go back again, we can try, because image is not dynamic because of we ever not create his profile for this user. Once we can create a profile, after we can make dynamic these images. So right now you can leave it these images. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page. It is working, not working. So I go back and refresh the page. So you can see it now. So error generated, so we can solve the error, but impossible to generate error because we have did step by step perfect way. You can see it work amazing. So I can make here reply. I can type like well, whatever do you want to write, well done, and you can make like this. Whatever do you want to write, this is the your meanings, and you can type. So just scroll down. You can see it well done. Suppose I can write another reply, so you can see it hello, and I can make like a leave replies. Just refresh and you can see it here like a two comments like a well done and hello. You see, so this is the working as a comments. Okay, so how to make like comment, how to make a reply. Suppose you can click here, so you can make here reply again. So do you want to put it? So this is the leave comment and reply we have done inside a block detail page. So next video we can continue like a home screen, because we need to sort out home screen. Also we need to sort out like you are login, so we need to show here like who is a login, because like this though you can't understand who is a login, not login. So we can sort out. After admin side we need to create like system settings, so you are uploading the logos, and you can upload everything step by step. You can do it like a bottom one we need to change. This is the URL you can make. This is the basic part we can finish. After we can do it like notification part, like how to work notification. Suppose you are doing here reply. Okay, here you can make reply, so this user can receive the notification you have a reply. He click on, so he's going to this block detail page. Like this we need to do in next video. Otherwise, suppose also is a new feature about notification, you can understand, but let's sort out step by step so you can understand. And I have again request, you are new in the channel, otherwise in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so you get a notification, you can start immediately learning. This is the point, otherwise no any reasons. And also we need a more subscriber. Okay, and thank you for watching error solution.